Mana. Mana is the Decentraland utility currency. Decentraland is a crypto game project, which gamers can buy and sell real estate. In fact, gamers can purchase land tokens with Mana. Decentraland is much more than just a game now. Their main goal is to provide a space for business in their own platform. This means you can sell your products in a decentralized space. This is so important that Metaverse Group company bought a land for 618 Mana worth $2.5 billion for the luxury fashion district. Interesting fact, Mana ICO was in 2017 and $0.023 for each coin. Because of Mana's nature, many of crypto experts believe that with developing in Metaverse space, Mana price will be progressive. After buying Mana from domestic exchanges and storing it on wallets like Trust Wallet or Ledger, you can use all the products and services in this game, and based on how much of Mana you have, can vote for their decision making. One last thing, Mana have unlimited supply, and when their supply is more than demand, they put it in equilibrium using token burning. Produced in Rasonet Studio.